Kevin, social media no so you be out. What no big I understand you walk school be my school is one go be bia. JSS oka wa name wo form 2. Wa wo boase. Kwenejima oka wa name wo ho. Na nke so we school 98. JSS na nke so we 98. Ade na ko we 99.
Abusa Bentel and Kevin Taylor omu beef na I started from I say Kevin Taylor and best at here no. Bentel abi expose Kevin Taylor big time as o chire mu a. Ore Kevin Taylor na shabra boss e wo school na Kevin Taylor school mu. Now bon wunua bon la wunua bon pale ngwase asma wunua na ni school mu ni community there. Expose a Bentel area boy wusa enya sim kuma ana na sume ko Accra Korlebu Hospital. But me this year be e ko hono I say ye ho na busia Dumsor chentenche bi ahete Korlebu ama doctors for ho nyina no omutwe mu ho entwa aha Penyah block media me say eni die mo obe like video na da woroma o subscribe button no click the notification icon for latest updates na be kire wa dwen dia mama e wo comment me say so obaso a no ahye video ma ofro so enya bi ahye yenya power Christ ama enyima hoden ke ensensem no entimi enya nas entine na mo Korlebu teaching hospital ebusia ye wo ho we chan light no the fine.
Oh, Mahama, this is Korlebu Teaching Hospital, and it's darkness everywhere. This is the main maternity. Imagine if a surgery is going on now. Can you imagine? The whole place is dark, and strangely, the plants are not working. This is the maternity, the main maternity block of Korlebu Teaching Hospital, which has been hit by Mahama's Dumsor. Can you imagine? Oh no. The light you are seeing is coming from the vehicles that are passing by, but the whole Korlebu is dark. So if surgery is going on or they are performing a very serious procedure and this happens, the ICU for the children is equally off. In fact, the Department of Child Health is completely off, and even the surgical department. Oh God. John Mahama and his Dumsor again. The change we voted for.
The whole Korlebu Teaching Hospital, Ghana, one of our biggest hospital with biggest theaters. Surgeries akese ya dum light ama omo honum na busia omo complain edomo adesode to aban na nimu say omo mode ana even say bedroom light be bia kwa na Korlebu Teaching Hospital be bia e won de omo sire na ada ma e highlighting the omo entimi ema no enyina so ema omo na Kevin Korlebu tell say media no so de ofre no ho the internet Jesus among for a healing sa ema how Kevin tell ezi kasa no o kasa che so person chere say ewiase nyina na say Ghana ha nyina de he is the well educated person na nansi hot na kika ni beef ye ne ntokoye ero de akoforo one of the classmate eye Bentel or de akoforo no ana Bentel ehitie na Bentel abema expose e wo Kevin Taylor na busia ensem a Bentel abebro so de yenkotie Bentel mala
Me to me baby me dream me home. Miami video where they are better me TikTok. Me hu ya say Kevin Taylor I compile or similar videos like this in 8 atem. Kevin social media no so na grow na ye nyina ye ba say ye ba be di ye ba be ani. Ba wo se wo frɛ wo ho media den commander. Unyo bia. Okay? Send your warm from information on. Can you so be so information? What no I understand your walk school be my school is one go be bia. School one JSS oka wa name wo form 2. I'm a form 1 for about 2. I will boss. Kwenejima oka wa name wo ho. Na nke so we school 98. JSS na so we 98, and then I'll go we 99. And then now we 99. You don't call presec. Me will index number no be bia. Presec who go feel poto. See, we were not good from the onset. Obia on the negative side of the life growing up. But media we so man me preach it as if say you are an angel. Just say would you feel new. Don't paint yourself say would you way a konkron. Onya konkron. Onya konkron. Onya konkron ba kokra. Onya konkron ba kokra. There me bufu na me pesa me video, but there me bufu kra ne omo ba me comment section that say you come for me and you do this, you do that. Unyo bia. Kevin unyo bia, you are nobody. So what buy na wo Ghana ha na ye wo. Me say wo index number, me wo index number. WAEC index number, I have it. WAEC index number. Presec who failed 2002, you failed. Who failed Poto? Any other who call Samu, who papa do call Samu, Cape Coast. Samu. A honor fear do call also Poto. Samu. The also Poto. If he, your humble father, or here me buy me anything, I will say me pay the money here. Me a fro okay. This year the Akoban we fairly presec. Any Samu na Poto. Into your buy anything. Now I also was a journalism school here by sa media for year and 50 more by. And I also be Kobe. Kevin who start here media commander that be who see now. Who see from media commander. You have say here Ghana. Ayana on here Mr. Say me say me the all results, all results. SHS results. Me. You dare me, I'll bring those things out. Me the results never out. Me the results no me the out. So how you guy. You have all me say here, obie no your kunkun as we all have our past. But don't script things on the paper or on the screen and come and sit on your media whatsoever and then think say you can just pick anybody's name and insult the person. Omo bobra akko school just say who form bet na space so who di omo attempt say me want to school you who go school no abon who go school no abon o madam for ho na wo hwe o madam from pin for ma bobra wo ebra be na abon ma bobra na wo support mo. Ye down here they are trend you. Yeah, my social media will say about we don't need you to trend. But some na would you will stop because we have informations about you. We have informations about you. You can say a car adie ebechi adie be say asa na say achi. Nti kan sameboa me I'm daring you say fawo SHS results ebra out. Wo SHS results fabra out ni ehu se wo go school na wa bon wo ye tiponko so se tiponko so o betena o space so o mo abobra o mo nimdi na wo di o matem simply because of what entia me the wo na akofa buy within my space. I was in my space wo and I akofa buy. I didn't want to go for baby catch him so no Ben forget you die you see leave it but me because you are nobody unyobia Sama ni your friend is Dr. Dia ya wo Ridge Hospital here wo wasi Dr. Dia o papa ko pa ne cho o papa e ko pa ne cho boni be na ukokodi enti o papa e ko pa ne cho woni wonyanko na mukoko bu ni dan ni ko wia ni computers muko wia ni computers so betna social media so you person o ya won say o ya angel you know everything unyo bia o ya wo ya ohoni na ye nim ya script am it's well scripted and I working kind me say me drop your presec result and index number. Me, I will drop your index number and your results. Bonnie, and on result, I'll bring it out. Mrs. Obin, some my grandma movie, yeah, Oto Taba, my grandma, woman, no comfort, your friend, Madam, Betty, is it Betty Obin? Yeah, that's her name. No teaching vocational skills, especially catering, to be precise. Catering. That was school and now not or your teacher. Some ameneba class no but now when I say what I could have born at that time you intentionally put a pen down just to get down and then watch your mama home. And you think you are holy? May her soul rest in peace. Mrs. Obi, may her soul rest in peace. Omo nim sa mami we those days e wo kwase bia ni masema mi ken. She was a teacher. Now bemma te se wo. Bemma te se wo. Utimi fa ye no bi say ye nyo bia ba mi am a fool man, wo nya fool. Me am a fool man, me gina wa me ye fool. But you are not fool. Distortion, you can't distortion, and so we need distortion. Oh, what distorting now? Ujina what distorting from your head to your toe? What distorting and ujina? And you come and sit on this space and then brag as if say you are clean in and out. From four. Me say we all have our past, and we don't brag with it because enya the papa. But then two echi. Then for obedience now as if say you don't have, you are clean in and out. Who you clean in and out? Me say me the audience, I want you to come out. Almost you will come for me. I want you to come out. Come and dare me. Me say result or presec result. SHS me never out. Nka uko presec. Ebi asa ako samu. Presec legon. We are wasa ako samu. Bonne. Wabon. Yeah, tun say we know. Say Banyame adon. Dia yesu no na yedidi ho. Say senya wo didi ho no a, wo didi wo journalism school ya e ba e kwanchen journalism school ya ba e wo feel say e na wo abrochire ntino utumi fa camera si so otumfo na wodi na tem akofado na wodi na tem wan wo fa wan na wodi na tem but e brass ankofo ya bon wo papa kura mobi. Oh papa, cry our mobi. Me so information say who me say me just say me kasakra, but sometimes when I read those comments about the comment section as na me heading and say no, I have to reply you again. Me say me there or me, I have your results. I have your results here. I have it here. Here. I have it here. Dare me. I know index number now. Dare me and I'll bring all these things out. Any other informations be out. Matepa. Me de chen.
Ubeto achira wa dwen de ama me e wo comment section. Ayi Penyah Blog Media.